Hello everyone and welcome back. Hi, my name is Kristy and today we're going to go ahead and just do a quick little vlog style. I wanted to show you a little update of what is on my seed starting racks right now. Things are getting really big. I'm potting up things. I'm running out of space. I am kind of like wondering what I'm going to do next, but I wanted to show you the tomatoes. I'm actually potting them up in the way where I'm actually just adding some more potting soil to my solo cup. Now, as you can see, they're getting super tall right now, but I do need to go ahead and add some more soil. So when I first started, I only filled it about maybe 3/4 of the way, but after a while, it does start to compact down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some more. I'll probably fill up half the space that is still left in the cup, so that way I can go ahead and bury some more of the stem. I'll probably trim off some of the lower leaves, and then I'm gonna go ahead and then add some more a few weeks later on. I have also been fertilizing them once a week. Usually on the weekends is when I tend to go ahead and fertilize. But I just wanted to show you what is on my seed starting racks right now. I am almost done with seed starting. I have some more dahlias on the way, and I have a lot of zinnias and straw flower. And I think if I have room, I'm gonna do celosia. I might actually just end up doing some winter sowing last minute because it's actually still very cold here. We had a couple beautiful days right around the beginning of spring, and now it's back to winter weather, unfortunately, here in Massachusetts. So I figured I probably could get some last minute winter sowing. I have a few empty milk jugs left. So if I can put my celosia in there, that will make me happy because I have a lot of zinnias, and we're gonna go ahead and start hopefully tomorrow or sometime this weekend getting the greenhouse ready. So here is what our seed starting racks look like right now. So I wanted to try and get them while it was cloudy out. It's around 6 p.m. so the sun's not shining in. It's super windy. So up top, I have tomatoes. Now, funny thing is that I have these tomatoes right here in my cups. And then I also have these same tomatoes that I started on the same exact day, but potted up a few weeks later. And look at the size comparison. So again, these were started on the same day. These were potted up here, and then I probably potted these ones up a week or two later. Still, again, started on the same day. Look at the difference between the growing of these. I also have down here, now these ones are super sad. I am fertilizing them right now. I kind of forgot about them, but look how root bound these are. So these were probably, I would say maybe a week after the solo cups. So the other ones might be 2 weeks, but look at the roots. They are so not happy. I need to go ahead and pot these up into some either bigger cell packs, or I'm gonna go and get some more solo cups. I have a bunch from Costco. But again, these are also all, germinated on the same exact day. Look at these gorgeous hollyhocks. They are looking fantastic ever since I potted them up. They are doing great. I did put 2 in per pot. I probably will go ahead and divide those again at some point, but those are looking great. Here are all of my coneflowers that I potted up with you. Now look how much happier they are in their own 3-inch pot. They are just thriving. I did maybe lose 1 or 2 of them. I kind of broke the stem when I was transferring them, watching kids, but that's okay. But I do have, as you see, some more, but they are just so much happier and healthier now that they are potted up. So I do have all the way down there, I have mine. We have some salvia and gomphrena here. These I will go ahead and be plucking and putting them in their own 6-cell pack, hopefully in the next weekend or two. My bee balm is kind of spotty. I did find that the Baker Creek ones did way better than the ones that I had from Etsy. I have all my gomphrena. That is doing fantastic. And my black-eyed Susans are doing great. These are the ones that I harvested, or actually I should say my mom harvested from her house. So those are doing great as well. So in the back, we have peppers. They take a long time to germinate. They're kind of stretching a little bit. I'm gonna find them a new spot soon. And then I have this tall grass, some perennial grass growing. And then we still have all of my dahlia seeds. I'm plucking them out as they come along. And here are all of my baby dahlias on this 10 by 20 tray right here. And I actually just contacted 2 amazing ladies that I got these seeds from seed swapping. and I'm going to be getting a bunch more. So I'm going to start some more. And here are some more tomato plants. And look at the size difference yet again, how much smaller they are to my solo cups. And then we have some sage that I just took off the heat mat not too long ago. And those are doing great. And then these are my other cone flowers. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed. These have to also get potted up. These are from my own personal gardens from last fall. And I harvested my own seeds here. We have more peppers going on. I have my Sweet Williams actually in the back. So these I'm going to be potting up as well. I actually have some lavender doing well. These are some dwarf bee balm. And my Canterbury bells are still doing great. Some more perennial grass. And let's see, we have some tomatoes. I just watered these so they're a little bit darker, the soil, but I have rosemary, my butterfly bush, and I have some more lavender that is still growing nicely. In the back, I have a couple of trays of those. And last but not least, look at these tomatoes. They are doing great. I'm alternating days right now with the fan on until I get some more soil in. So as you can see, I need to get more soil in here, but they are doing freaking fantastic. They're under some Costco shop lights. I do suggest those. I can put a link also to them, but it is just a sea of tomatoes and I'm obsessed. And again, I will be adding some more. I'll probably go to this next little line. If you can see that little indent right there, that is where I'm going to go ahead and put more potting soil. I had to actually order Pro Mix because I can't get it anywhere locally. Shipped directly to Tractor Supply. So look at those. They are doing fantastic and I'm super excited. So again, that is just going to be a quick little vlog, an update of all of our plants. Again, I have to go ahead and just do zinnia. That won't be until the first week of maybe April or second weekend of April. And then hopefully I can get some celosia in. And then I actually do have some crest coming in and more dahlia seeds. So I definitely want to get my dahlias going. I figured out a new game plan of how I'm going to go ahead and fit some more in my area without ruining where my husband wants to go ahead and put some new grass. So we are compromising or making a big L shape, which I'm totally fine with because it's all in sun. So that's all that matters to me and gives me some more space. So again, thank you so much for just tuning in, checking out this update, and I have a lot more to come, and hopefully I can get that greenhouse going so I can go ahead and leave a review on that. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.